Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to solve some more word problems. Today we're going to use our beginning, middle, and end work mat. And we're also going to create a number bond. Okay, so we're going to use our 3-read strategy when we look at this word problem. It's a great way to help us understand what we're reading and what we're having to solve. So when we read it the first time, we're going to read it without the numbers. So I'm noticing that there are some numbers in here. I'm going to go ahead and underline these numbers. And when I read it the first time, I'm going to read it without those numbers. Blake put some ornaments on the tree. Her brother put some ornaments on the tree. They put some ornaments on the tree, blank ornaments on the tree together. How many did her brother put on the tree? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solved it. So I kind of picked the beginning, middle, and end work map to help me solve through this. So what's happening in this story? So we know in the beginning that Blake put some ornaments on a tree. Are you picturing that in your head already? And then we know her brother put some on the tree. And then we know together that they put a total amount there. And what we don't know is how many did her brother put. That's what it's wanting us to solve. How many did her brother put on the tree? This time we're going to read it with the numbers to try to make sense of those numbers, to see what those numbers represent. Blake put 6 ornaments on the tree. Her brother put some ornaments on the tree. They put 13 ornaments on the tree together. How many did her brother put on the tree? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solved it. So what's happening in the beginning of the story? That's right. Blake put 6 ornaments on the tree. Is that happening in the beginning, the middle, or the end? I agree. That is happening at the beginning. Let's draw 6 ornaments for the tree. I'm just going to draw circles. So we have 6 ornaments. Right? Now, what happens next? What happens in the middle? Her brother put some ornaments on the tree, but we don't know how many. But I'm going to go ahead and write that the brother. That's going to help me understand the story. Brother put ornaments on the tree. So what happened at the end of the story? They put 13 on the tree together. Can we represent that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ornaments. Together. Okay, so we know if we started out with 6 and we added the ones that the brother put on, we know that we're going to have 13. What's another way that we could write an equation? We know if we have 13 and we take away 6 that Blake put on in the beginning, that we're going to know how many that the brother put on the tree. So let's look at this. If we have 13 and six of them are the ones that Blake put on the tree, how many did the brother put on? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The brother put on 7 ornaments. Because 6 plus 7 is 13. Let's draw the 7 ornaments the brother put on. If I have 13 and I take the 6 away, I know that I'm left with 7. That makes that equation true. Let's reread the problem and make sure that what we're answering makes sense. Blake put 6 ornaments on the tree. Her brother put some ornaments on the tree. They put 13 ornaments on the tree together. How many did her brother put on the tree? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solved it. So does that make sense that the brother put on 7? Blake put on 6? And so together they had 13 on the tree. So how would that look in a number bond? I'm going to draw a number bond. So I know that this is my hole here, and I know I have 13 total ornaments on the tree together. So if Blake put on 6, her brother put on 7. So 6 and 7 make 13. 2 parts, 6 and 7, make the whole 13. Great job. Let's do another one together. So let's continue with another problem. Bailey has some gingerbread men. Her mom gave her some more. Altogether she had blank. How many did she start with? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solved it. So what's going on in this problem? We know that Bailey had some gingerbread men. We know that her mom is going to give her some more. And we know altogether that she had some, that she had a total amount. We want to know how many did she start with? How many did Bailey have to start with? Okay, so let's reread it with the numbers to make sense and understand what those numbers represent. Bailey had some gingerbread men. Her mother gave her 4 more. Altogether, she had 9. How many did she start with? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solved it. So, we know that Bailey had some gingerbread men, but do we know how many? No, we don't. So her mom gave her 4 more. So we're not really sure how many that Bailey had. So I'm going to write Bailey. We don't know how many she had here in the beginning. So we know her mom gave her 4 more. Can we add the gingerbread men? I brought these gingerbread men here to help us model it, but you could also draw circles or anything else. 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write here that the mom gave her 4 more. Mom gave 4 more. Altogether, she had 9. This is how many we know that we have in the end. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know that together that they had 9. Altogether, they had 9. So our question is, how many did she start with? So let's write an equation. So we know that Bailey had some gingerbread men. We don't know how many. We know that Mom gave her 4 more, so I'm adding 4. And we know that we had a total of 9. So how do we solve this? We also could think about that we have 9 here all together, and we're going to take away the 4 that Mom gave her. If these are the ones that Mom gave her, how many did Bailey have in the beginning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if that's right. Let's add 5 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's think about that. If we have 5 and we add 4 more, would that give us 9? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is correct. Just the same if we have 9 and we took 4 away, the ones that Mom gave her, we would have 5 left. Very good. And thinking about a part-part whole and our number bond, if we started out with 9 all together as our whole, we know that Mom gave 4 and that Bailey had 5. So 5 and 4 together make the whole 9. Great job problem solving, boys and girls. And as you solve problems today, think about using the 3-read strategy and use the work mat that fits your problem the best. Great job.